Once upon a time, in a small cozy village, there lived a little kitten named Luna. Luna was playful, curious, and full of dreams. One sunny morning, she whispered, "Today, I will explore the forest." And off she went, into the magical woods. As Luna wandered deeper into the forest, she heard a rustling sound. A playful squirrel jumped out and said, "Hi, I'm Nibbles, the fastest squirrel here." Luna laughed and replied, "Nice to meet you. I'm Luna." Together, they explored the forest and had lots of fun. The sun began to set, and Luna looked around. "Where's the path back home?" She meowed softly. Everything looked the same. The cheerful forest grew quiet, and Luna's heart started to beat faster. "I think I'm lost," she whispered. Luna took a deep breath. "I won't give up," she said bravely. She followed glowing fireflies and found tiny paw prints her own. "I'm getting closer," she purred. She realized that being brave means moving forward, even when you're afraid. Suddenly, Luna heard voices. She found a circle of glowing mushrooms, where an owl, a hedgehog, and a raccoon were sitting. "You look tired," said the hedgehog kindly. "Want a berry snack?" laughed the raccoon. Luna smiled and said, "Thank you. I'm Luna, and I was a little lost." Her new friends walked her to the edge of the forest. "Come visit us again," they said. Luna followed her paw prints back home. That night, she curled up in bed and looked at the forest from her window. "I can't wait for my next adventure," she whispered.